We're down here at the Home Depot getting some wood. Oh, I got it. Hey guys, Gary Schultz from Cyclone Custom Trucks and Vans. This is an Isotherm refrigerator door. I've never liked the black on here. They come with, you can get stainless or black, and there's like, there's even a mahogany one, I think, or teak wood. None of that matches our van. And so we're gonna make a face frame for this thing and make it kind of match our van, so it should be pretty cool. Come on along. All right, so I cut these out here. Let's see how it works. So that's kind of the idea, right? And then it's going to hang off the edge a little bit because I'm going to put this on the edge. Well, the other problem with this is this fridge door sits out here on the outside. So we're always like bumping into it, you know? So I'm going to try to get this thing in further. Because it's just sticking out too far. And I know there's room at the back. I don't know why we couldn't push this back a little bit. I mean, it's like to there. Perfect. Oh, shoot. Well, that means we got to do something with the floor. But I do kind of like it. When you swing this hinge here, it does not hit. So if you look, I'll just do it right now. So if you look, that thing, that's hinging way out on the edge now. Okay, so if I've got a lot of wood there, even then it's going to go back to about there. It should be fine. Same thing over here. Okay, so we're going with 1/4 inch dowels this time. And I'm just drilling dowel holes as usual. You know, I bought a biscuit joiner today, but this is 1/2 inch wood. And it's pretty small pieces, like, I don't know how I would put it, it'd be like half a biscuit, I don't know. So it's dowel. But it's just 16 holes to drill. It isn't terrible, you know. So if you're interested in getting a dowel jig, this, if you can find it, this is the best thing I ever bought, man. Wow. Works good. Paid $23.95 for it back in, I think I bought this in 1979. So I've had it for a long time, man. Check out our glued up piece here. It's a little bit warmer today. Let's do this, man. Wait, let's leave those on. Let's do these first. So, should we try it? Let's try it. Fit, baby, fit. You're seeing this real, oh, ho, ho, ho. Okay, so I got it to drop on there. That's a tight fit though. Look at that. That's a tight, tight fit. But it goes. So, there we go. It's on. So that'll work. I was pretty worried there for a minute. Put it in the van here, and I'm looking at it and I'm like, okay, you know, nice fit on the edge there. Look at that. And ouch. Okay, so this is sharp. So is this though. And this is sharp. It's kind of the modern look that I did in here. I'm just going to leave it sharp. I'm not going to router that. That would look crappy if I router it. So, okay, well, sand her up a little more and we got this. Okay, so this is how I get the angle here. I lined up this corner and that corner, and I'm just going to draw it out. And we'll just cut that off right there. So we're going to cut this a little bit long here. And see how that matches up. Boy, that's pretty good. So, and this side should be the same. Again, that's long. See that? So, but I can see that that's it. Exactly. So, I'm going to go ahead and cut that. Push it right up to the line and do it. So you can see I left the line there. See that? Because the line was on the inside. So we're going to do this one too. Hopefully this is right, because if it's not, we're screwed. Right. So there we go. You don't want to spill a bunch of glue on this thing here, for sure. All right. Let's put it in. See how she fits. See how the door opens. Okay. So yesterday we patched in the floor here so that wouldn't show. And now that one in. So since the bracket's loose, you know, it's kind of hanging over this way a little bit. So I pulled it out a little bit so there's a bigger gap right here. And the reason I did that is because I want this to open that far, exactly that far, which it does. So that's the spot right there that we're going to keep it in, I think. And so there'd be a little gap here, that's fine, right? We don't care. And then that top plate will just sit on here, and that'll be fine. So I think we're cool the way it is here. Yep. Okay, well that's what I wanted to check anyways. This thing's hanging on there really nice now. Okay, so we got 4 coats of polyurethane on here, and I rubbed this finish down with some 4/0 steel wool, and I still can see like some scratches and some imperfections. So I'm gonna sand those out with this 1500 here, then we'll go to 2000, and then we'll buff it. Okay, so we got that buffed out, looks pretty good. And I'm gonna go ahead and mount it up, I think, here. Let's get the refrigerator door back over. Now you guys didn't get to see this, but I went ahead and put some, this is just like a wallpaper, contact paper material. I rolled it over this edge, and then I put another piece on here, and this black won't show when I get the, so this is the stuff, and I found this matches our interior stain pretty well. And so let's just throw this on here. And so we know that the notch here is up. And fits pretty well. So we can, I think we're just gonna screw this in. Number 8 by a 1/2 inch long. Fridge door is done, and I also made this piece. So this was just black plastic, and now it's got the wood grain on it, and that goes here once we get it all screwed in. So let's screw it in, man. I'm excited. Hey, Gary Schultz from Cyclone Custom Trucks and Vans. Thanks for watching. Hope you like the fridge door, and comment below, hit the subscribe button. We'd love to hear from you, and thanks for being part of the community. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Hey guys, Gary Schultz from Cyclone Custom Vans. I'm wearing our newest addition to the shirt. I think it's really cool. Looks good. Hey, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Hit the subscribe button and comment below about anything. I read them all. See you later. Bye.